The Magic Mask is an incredible tool of Davinci Resolve. It helps you to create a variety of different effects, selection, color corrections, tracking, and etc. So, because of that, in this video, I'll show you some hacks to improve the quality of your work when you're using a Magic Mask. Let's dive into the first hack. The masking and tracking process could take a lot from your PC resources. Stuttering and frame loss is very common though. One thing that might help is to check the video size. Higher pixel counts results in slower tracking. With your clip on a timeline, go to the Deliver tab, give a file a name and select where you want to export the video. Then try to decrease the quality somewhat. Full HD is the ideal format to use Magic Mask because higher pixels images as 4K take a lot from your PC resources. Add to render quill and export the video in this option. Now you can use Magic Mask in a Full HD clip, put in a timeline and start the editing process. But no, I don't want to decrease the quality of my video. I need a high pixel sized image, so that's not a problem. The second hack will help you with this. In the Color tab, you have all the Magic Mask resources in your hands to create a bunch of things. And when a mask is created and tracked throughout the video, unfortunately, it causes a lot of stuttering and slows drastically your computer. To solve that, finish everything that you gotta do in the Color tab and move to the Edit tab. Mouse right click and render in place. Insert all these options here in Format, Codec and Encoder and set all the dependencies on to render in this button. Select a folder on your computer and make a quick render. It helps a lot to prevent any performance concerns. The next hack is about masking properly. Sometimes it is necessary to separate an element from the rest of the video, highlight it or just correct the colors. And also sometimes the element, which can be anything or anyone, could move, dance, walk, or change position in general, exactly as in the video that I'm showing you. Look, this person is dancing, so what can I do to choose the best frame to mask the person? The most important thing is to look for the edges and body parts that move more during the video. This case, for example, calls for both hands and arms to be on the video, as well as the entire body. With that, you manually give more information to the program to improve the automatic tracking. The fourth hack will help those who are using more effects on the Color tab. Here in the Color tab, we have the Nodes panel. Our clip is here with Media In and Media Out connected. It is possible to insert all the Color tab changes and transfer them out to other tabs inside Davinci Resolve using this corrector node. So, if you are changing more than one thing, like masking something to separate it from the background and adding a LUT's effect into your video, please create another corrector node by just right-clicking and adding a corrector node. Put all the secondary effects on a different corrector node and create as much as you want. Because if you don't want all the changes for some reason, just delete the corrector node. All the not wished changes will disappear without harming the other ones. It helps a lot, trust me. The last hack I'd show you is about the communication between the Color tab and the other ones, mainly the Fusion tab. The Magic Mask is a fantastic tool. However, the communication between Davinci interfaces isn't so good at all. Basically, the tracking process does not allow any change in the clip. So, if you track a clip and add a simple thing as a scale on the Edit tab, it becomes necessary to track the video again. There's a pretty simple thing to do to avoid this problem. Before you make any changes to your video, select your clip on the timeline, mouse right click and create a new Fusion tab. Right-click again and open in Timeline. Now you can change everything you want to the Color tab because all the changes will appear in both tabs, the Edit tab and the Fusion tab though. If you already track it, calm down, it isn't the end of the world. Move to the Edit tab and do the same process. New Fusion clip, open in Timeline and go to the Color tab to track the mask again. The thing is, even after learning these masking hacks, this is just a small part of what you need to know about Davinci Resolve. Sometimes the Magic Mask is not the right tool and you will have to use old-fashioned masking. Luckily, we have exactly what you need to take your skills to the next level in this video. Thanks for watching.